Texas has one of the faster eviction processes in the country, but it still requires strict compliance with each step. One procedural error can set you back weeks. Step 1. Serve the correct notice. For non-payment of rent, Texas requires a 3-day notice to vacate, but your lease can specify a longer period, so read it first. For lease violations and no-fault terminations, notice requirements vary based on the lease and tenancy type. Month-to-month tenancies require a 1-month notice. Texas notice can be delivered in person, left with someone at the residence who is 16 or older, posted to the inside of the front door, or sent by certified mail. Keep proof of service. Step 2. If the tenant doesn't vacate, file a forcible entry and detainer, or FED, suit in the Justice of the Peace Court for the precinct where the property is located. Filing fees are typically $46 to $100. The hearing is usually set for 10 to 21 days after filing. Step 3. Attend the hearing. Bring your lease, the notice, proof of service, and documentation of the reason for eviction. Texas JP courts are relatively informal, but judges expect organized, documented cases. Step 4. If you win, the tenant has 5 days to appeal. If they don't appeal, you can apply for a writ of possession, typically issued within a few days, which authorizes the constable to physically remove the tenant and their belongings. Total realistic timeline: 3 to 6 weeks for an uncontested case. Appeals can extend this to 2 to 3 months. TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Screen thoroughly before placement to avoid this process entirely.